guys. Cuaca hari itu mana? Hari itu kita ikat pulai. Dah selesai 3 minggu bekerja guys. 3 minggu kerja, 3 minggu cuti. Jadi hari itu kita ikat pulai lah. Cuaca manah hari itu, terang, cukup manah lah. Nada itu ribut. Oke guys, terus tonton video ini sampai habis guys. Kita akan balik menggunakan chopper ataupun helikopter. Oke, stay tune guys. Jangan lupa like, share, komen dan subscribe Lamzez channel.
Kamu tidak bawa makanan kami kat dalam ni? Kenapa kamu bawa corn beef kah? Nasi goreng kampung pagi tadi ya? Siapa mau? Tengok kamu buat makan terus ke? Makan je 10 kg. Datang 3 kilo.
Crew or helideck crew or a pilot will direct you to a specific seat. Simply follow their instructions. You will be wearing a Survivotech Halo life jacket on today's flight. This jacket has several emergency and safety features that will aid in your survival and will now be demonstrated. Please pay attention to the following external features. A fully integrated emergency breathing system, EBS. The EBS has been designed to be deployed in one swift movement and features a carbon composite cylinder, rated low-pressure hose, and second stage with integrated nose clip. Dual manual inflation, bright orange high-vis beaded inflation toggles. To inflate the life jacket, pull firmly on either of the orange beaded toggles. Put the jacket on like a waistcoat, right arm first. Loosen side straps after pulling the orange release tapes rearwards. Cargo or baggage. Whenever the deck crew or passengers need to carry a load or piece of equipment longer than 1 meter, it must be carried horizontally to avoid contact with the main rotors. Ensure all loose articles such as caps and safety helmets are safely secured. These items can easily be blown off and into the rotor blades or to start fastening. To fasten, insert each of the loose ends to its respective position on the circular latch mechanism.
Beijing semua orang akan pergi ke helideck kan, jadi berkumpul bawah helideck saya buat headcount, bukan cuma di sini ya. Straight sudah pergi ke helideck nanti. Then one chopper landing, incoming crew turun, kita tukar life jacket, tukar earmuff kan, pastikan semua no loose item semua. Bag nanti kita